Hi, I am Michael and welcome back to another video. Now, this video is going to be talking about Fighting AI with AI Episode 1. So, to start things off, what is the AI we will fight against? AI will destroy humanity, is what Dr. Peng Choo from STEMSEL said. Now, STEMSEL stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Maths, or STEM, and the bit at the end stands for Social Enterprise Learning. Now, what Peng Choo said echoes off what Stephen Hawking said before he sadly passed away. What Stephen Hawking said is that the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. So now, continuing off of that, Dr. Yunus also said that the AI application will cause wealth concentration and global inequity. Wealth concentration is AI will create extreme rich and the extreme poor. And he calls this a mushroom effect. Basically, 6 people, their money amounts to 4 billion of the poorer people's money combined. And that is what global inequity is. And it has been on the rise for several decades. So, how do we achieve the sustainable development goals by 2030? And first of all, goal 1 is to solve poverty, because we're on the topic of money. But in December 2019, Dr. Yunus called to use AI to solve the problem of global inequity, even though he just said that the global inequity is caused by AI. So what could he possibly mean by using AI to solve it? And that's what we mean by fighting AI with AI. And he wants to use AI to implement the 17 SDGs goals of the UN. So now, fighting poison with poison, or yi du gong du, which is the Chinese proverb. So what is the good AI, quotes good AI, that we can use to fight back? Now, Malaysia, the Office of Education in Malaysia, made the policy for students to learn AI starting from grade 4 or 10 years of age and above. The aim of learning AI is to create more Amazons. Now, is this the AI that we can fight back with? Well, Dr. Yunus said, do the opposite. So, what is the opposite to Amazon? Well, instead of creating a commercial business, he wants to create a social business. And a social business means you share the profit with the poor. And while commercial businesses do not share the profit with the poor, so it can balance out the inequity. Now, continuing off what AI we can use, the AI can also achieve the SDGs using STEMSEL AI Social Business, or SASB. So their plan is to teach 70,000 students from Dr. Yunus inspired micro-business families in Sabah using STEMSEL AI. Now that concludes this presentation of Fighting AI with AI, but make sure to check out the other 2 episodes in the playlist, and I will see you in those 2 videos. For now, bye bye.